These tutorial videos are split into many different parts. Firstly, so you don't get overwhelmed with having to watch a 30-minute or 40-minute long tutorial video, but secondly, so you can find certain things that you need to do a little quicker. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to open the program, Audacity, and then how to import a piece of audio, and then I'm going to just show you the toolbar at the very top. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is find Audacity. The headphones with the little WAV file here is what the Audacity icon looks like. You're going to click or double click that icon. Now to import audio into Audacity, there's a couple of different ways. You can right click on an audio file and then you can open it with Audacity. I'm actually going to go up here to Project. Now in Project, you can import audio. This is also Command or Control I on it's Control I on a PC, Command I on a Mac. So now it opens up another window and it asks me where your audio is, and you find your audio and then click Open. A dialog box will pop up saying it's importing it, and then we have this. Now what is this? It's a blue line, and it's thicker in some areas and thinner in other areas. Now the thin areas means that it's quiet or almost quiet. The thick areas mean that it's loud at that point. So it measures the amplitude of the audio file. If I select it, and you can see that I'm selecting it, I just click down and then I can drag, left click and drag, and you can select portions of this audio file. Now if I want to play it, all I have to do is hit the play button up here or hit spacebar and it plays.
The mass of men, he says in his famous observation, lead lives of quiet desperation.
So let's go up to the top here and take a look at the cursors. The first tooltip is this cursor tooltip, and this looks very similar. If you notice, it looks very similar to what you would have on Word or any other word processing program. Looks like a little I-beam. This is used to select things. Now just imagine, just like if you were in Word, I'm selecting a large portion of this, maybe a paragraph worth of audio. When I click, the playhead, that little line, goes where the cursor is. That means that when I hit play, space bar or the play button up here, it will play from that point. So it's going to play from where this line is. That's the playhead. This other tool is called the envelope tool. This is for adjusting the sound levels, the amplitude of my piece. And we'll talk a little later on about how and why we're going to be doing that. Now to get it back to do just what I did there, to make it go backwards, I hit Command Z. You could also hit Control Z on a PC, and that undoes what you just did. This here is the time shift tool. Now the time shift tool is used mainly when you have multiple audio files. If I were to have some sort of music that I wanted to start later on, I could slide this over and then I would have another audio file under here and I could play the music, and I'll show you how to use this again later on. These tools here, these buttons, are very similar to what you would have on a CD player. This button here brings you back, puts the playhead back at the very beginning of the audio track. This one will put it at the very end. These are this is play, this is record, pause, and stop. All of these we're not going to be using in this particular tutorial, mainly because I'm going to be showing you how to be doing a lot of this stuff using key commands. So this will end the first video. I'm going to continue on and talk about more things that you can do in Audacity, specifically for digital storytelling, in the next few videos.